Good morning, all. Is slide visible?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Good morning. It's visible, right? Sorry for the delay due to network issue. I'm connecting late. So we'll start with the class. So in the last class, I started the fourth chapter. In this fourth chapter, that is the relationships between classes and object. In the previous class, we discussed about introduction to classes and objects, the users relationship, and the 6 different implementations for the users relationships. Right? These 6 different ways to implement users relationships. These things we discussed in the last class. Today, you are going to study about the heuristic for the users relationship. So we'll see what is the heuristic for the users relationship. This is the heuristic 4.1 and this is that minimize the number of classes with which another classes collaborates. So this is the heuristic 4.1 for the users relationship. So it says that minimize the number of classes within which another class collaborate. So this heuristics claims that the list of classes another class uses should be kept to a minimum. Means the number of classes that the another class uses should be kept minimum. So for example, if we consider that the class one using other classes, then the list of those classes should be kept minimum. That is the heuristic 4.1. And in the worst case, an object-oriented design will consist of a collection of primitive simplistic classes, and all these primitive and simplistic classes, all of which use each other. Means whether it may be a primitive class or the simplistic class, each classes use each other. And here, so when we say about the this avoiding the guard class problem, so here when we're using the heuristic of 4.1, and here it claims that avoiding of the guard class problem is not violated. Means that is avoiding a guard. You know what is a guard class problem, and when it arises. And in the previous chapter, you have studied the heuristic for that, right? But that is not violated here. We can say that when we are using the heuristic 4.1, then the guard class problem heuristic is not violated. But we may have distributed system intelligence uniformly distributed among the large group of top level objects. And when we have the large group of top level objects, then we are looking for the solutions, right? The solution is to look for places in the user's relationship graph where one class communicates with another group of class and ask, can I replace this group of classes with one class? Now let us consider that class 1 is communicating with another group of classes. Another group of classes means class 1 is communicating with class 2, class 3, class 4 like that. Then can class 1, whenever the class 1 is communicating with these three group of classes, class 2, class 3, class 4 like that, can we replace these group of classes, that is class 2, class 3, class 4 into a one class containing the group, right? And thereby we are reducing the number of collaborations. Means here, when class 1 is interacting with class 2, class 3, class 4, then what happens? There exist a 3 collaborations between class 1, class 2, class 1, class 3 and class 1, class 4. In such cases, we need to minimize the collaborations. How we can minimize the collaboration? By grouping the classes where the class 1 is interacting. We'll group those classes into a single group. Then the number of collaborations are reduced from 3 to 1. This is the case, okay? So here we are looking for the solutions where one class is communicating with group of classes. Okay, let us consider that class 1 is interacting with class 2, class 3 and class 4. When class 1 is interacting with these 3 classes, then it leads to 3 collaborations between class 1, class 2, class 1, class 3 and class 1, class 4. In such cases, we are looking for a solution such that we can group all three classes, class 2, class 3 and class 4 into a single group so that we can minimize the number of collaborations from 3 to 1. So that is the solution that we are looking for. Now let us consider this example. The example of a restaurant pattern and the types of food. So first you are consider here it is a restaurant pattern. It is there, melon, steak and pie is there, and these are served, right? So here see the collaboration between this and these three. There exist three collaborations between these. So here in such cases we are looking for the better solution. In the better solution we are minimizing the number of collaborations between the classes. So here, hence, the better solution is to wrap the food in the containing class mean in order to reduce the number of collaborations at the top level design. See here. So here three collaborations exist and hence we need to have a better solution so that we can reduce the number of collaborations from 3 to 1. So how we are doing that? We are wrapping the food containing the class meal. See here we are creating one more class called as meal and in this we are putting all these three together. Okay, then it leads to a new class meal and this consisting of meal, steak and pie. Okay, see here then the collaboration is reduced from 3 to 1. See restaurant pattern, then there is a single collaboration from this to this. But some of you can argue that as inside the this meal class C, we are having three more collaborations. Then here it does three collaborations, but here it increased to 4, or the users relationships are increased to 4. But that is not the case. Why? Here we are making use of the data hiding property such that whatever the collaborations are existed within the class are hidden outside the world. Okay, which is hidden means implementation details are hiding within the class and it is not visible outside, and hence the number of users relationship is reduced to 1 or number of collaboration reduced to 1 from 3. Here 3 are there. Then in order to minimize the users relationship or the collaborations, what we are going to do, we will put all these in a class called as the mean and all three are put it in this class. And even though the number of collaborations are more here, but due to the data hiding property, all these collaborations are hidden outside from the outside world, right? And hence only one collaboration is visible between the restaurant pattern and the meal class. So this is the better solution, means here we are finding the containing classes from users relationship. So here, as I said, you can argue that the number of users relationships are increased from 3 to 4, but due to the data hiding property, we will not count the users relationship inside the mail class. So we'll see that instead of 3, it is there. Instead of 4, there exists only 1. Why? Because inside the mail class that we are not counting. Okay. And they are not invisible to the restaurant pattern and simply they are the implementation details of the meal class. See here for the restaurant pattern, only one users relationship or only one collaboration is visible, and inside the class meal 3, 3 collaborations are there. Even though 3 collaborations are there, that are not